from like the double glasses. You see that? We just went on apartment hunting, and we got in touch with this nice apartment that was a bit cheap and a bit too good to be true. And the guy just ended up like bringing us basically to this place. And once we got to the place, we tried to call him, he wouldn't answer. Then after a while, we tried to call and the number was just not distributed no more. So that was probably a scam, which happens. We just gotta let the apartment, like the people that actually own the apartment, just gotta let them know about what's going on, and so they can fix this problem. But yeah, so they can't really fix it, but at least they'll be aware. Yeah.
That you never pay anything on the link, or you never send money if the apartment is a little cheaper than what it's. Also do your research, basically. If the apartment doesn't match the price online, then never really send money or anything.
That's how they get you. They're just trying to get you to rush and send the money.
It's better to just contact the main office right away.
Yeah. You might not get that crazy, dreamy deal, but at least you're not gonna get scammed. You still can find like good deals, huh? That's why you can't like let those bad scammers ruin the whole hunt for us, because we've been enjoying seeing different houses, and we're still looking now for a good one.
But you just gotta do your research as a renter too.
Yeah, that's
because you
true.
don't know which units and apartments you applied to, so they have your number online. I don't remember seeing the apartment that he listed, and the pricing was really off. So that was already a red flag. But we went anyways because maybe it is a real apartment for cheap.
So we wanted to see for ourselves.
Never click any link or submit or send money right away, even though. Because some people will persuade you like, hey, if you sign up now, there's a lot of
you get the first month free or some stuff like this. But no.
You have to go see the apartment first.
If it's too good to be true, usually it's because there's a reason behind. So yeah, now we're on our way to Malibu. It's amazing. It's not the sunniest weather that we've had, but it's nice actually, because if it was really sunny, I think we would get cooked today. Because it's already hot, even though it's cloudy.
And the breeze is blowing through my hair. Summer vibe, it's so right. The feeling of freedom in the air. The days are long and lazy, and the nights are filled with music and fun. The palm touch.
Maybe we can find the spot where they filmed the clip closer with Rory Kramer, the Chainsmokers, the song. We made it. El mat, no dogs. Whoa. What?
beaches calling out my name. The waves are crashing gently, and the breeze is blowing through my hair. Summer vibe, it's so right. The feeling of freedom in the air. The days are long and lazy, and the nights are filled with music and fun. The palms are
Big pelicans. We just left 2 seconds to go pee, and them birds just were all over our stuff. I think they saw this, the chips. Naughty birds. They were so quick though, like not even 2 minutes, like a minute. Crazy.
It reminds me of Waheen when he would just walk along the walkway. And then one night, we didn't realize the water went up. There was no more walkway for us and we started panicking. And then there was no more sunlight. Oh, that was kind of scary, like really cool. And the waves were big.
Yeah, that was scary. Wow, the sunset right now is crazy. Your hair is looking a bit reddish in the sun.
Watch out.
Nice.
days are long and lazy, and the nights are filled with music and fun. The palms are
Oh yeah, that was her.
That was the OnlyFans
And
model.
them, the two couple that was enjoying. And here were kids. But this big rock was hiding her, but still. This guy probably was up there, was enjoying as well. I'm doing on this ride. Yeah. It's crazy. It's insane. Malibu sunset's a bit different. Rain does that.
The lifeguard, the guardhouse.
Iron Man house is up there. They probably get the best view for the sunset. And toilets too.
blowing through my hair. Summer vibe, it's so